Hey, how you doing? This is Tom, and this is Tom's Radio Room Show, and I'm in what I call our green room, and that's because the carpet is green, the blinds are green, and I've got my hydroponic gardens in here, and some plants in the window, hydroponic also. But the main reason I'm in here is because this room, camera fixed here, this room has very few electronics. The only significant thing that's running right now is the pumps for the hydro gardens, little air pumps. Otherwise, it's pretty clean as far as interference. So what I've done is I've brought the little Tecsun Pl-330 in this room, and I've connected my little wire antenna. It's about 20 feet, just kind of strung around the room. And I did a band scan. Now this radio scans shortwave international broadcast bands only. It doesn't scan through the entire shortwave band. So it's going to jump around through all the international broadcast bands. And I did that. And so we'll turn this up right now. Okay, that moaning you're hearing is, I call it the Preacher Man channel. And they have this one session where they have the people in the congregation just moaning and saying things, and it's really weird. This is on 4.840, and it's about 7 o'clock in the morning here in Clearwater, Florida. So let's see what else it found. I did a band scan. There's 5 megahertz, but I don't hear a WWV. There it went. So I do hear it. Pretty weak, but it's there. That's clear. That's probably Radio Habana, 5.025. It's going up. See what else I found? That's the Preacher Man again at 5.890, and they got that moaning and groaning going on. Sounds like a bunch of zombies. Go on up. I believe that's the Overcomers channel with the lady preacher, 5.935. I think it's out of Tennessee. Another Spanish station, 5.980. That's pretty sure that's Radio Habana. Another Spanish station. I think that's out of Cuba also, 6 megahertz. There's the one you heard before. That coming in loud and clear. Okay. I wish I spoke Spanish. There's another Spanish station. Since I live in Florida, I get a lot of those. I think that's China radio from the transmitter in Cuba, or down that way. Coming clear as a bell. I'll let you listen to it. That's really clear. Not much there. We're getting a little high in frequency for this time of day. Whoa, 11.66. I'm not sure what that is. I have to look that one up. Nothing. 15.35. There's another one, 15.46. Pretty weak. Now, keep in mind, I'm just using the built-in telescopic antenna, which is about 15 inches, plus I have, and I'll show you real quickly, I have the wire antenna connected to that, and then it goes around the room. I could not find, I've got another, excuse me, I've got another one of these antennas that has the phono plug that will plug into the side of this. Use an external antenna connection, which may get better reception instead of a clip-on. See what else we found. Yeah, nothing there. Nothing there. Very weak there at 21.665. Nothing there, nothing there. Now we're back down. Now let me go to the one that was pretty strong. Well, there's WWV. That's always a good one to use. Okay, I'm going to let you listen, and then I'm going to unclip that wire antenna. So here we go. Unclip it. It's still doing pretty good. So the little wire antenna is not helping that much. I'm going to put it back on. Back on. It's helping a little bit, but this it's doing pretty good. You know, people ask me about this radio, this little Tecsun Pl-330. I think it's around $75 to get one of these. You can get them out of my Amazon store, and they do a pretty good job. I might do a comparison to the Big Brother, which is the H-501X. Has a lot more circuitry, has a much longer built-in shortwave antenna, so I suspect it would do much better. So we can try that. And right now it's 7:15, so the sun is just rising, which is, I'm taking advantage of the gray line, which now is over me and over China, or that area. Let me do one more band scan and then we'll wrap it up. Here we go. Okay, it's scanning now. But two things that will really improve reception on this little radio, does a pretty good job, is a external antenna plugged into the antenna connector right here, and a set of earbuds or headphones. Especially like in this room, even though there's not too much RFI, I got the hydroponic garden pumps on, so I'm hearing that noise, where if I had earphones or earbuds, then that would help eliminate that interference. So we're about halfway through the band. We found 14 strong signals. It could be noise, or actually we found 13. Now we found 14. The number displayed here is the number it's working on. So we're up now. We found 15, 16. Wow, found a lot of stations. Again, now I have another advantage is we have a 2-story house, so I'm on the 2nd story. So I'm an additional maybe 12 feet up in the air. And we're pretty low here in Clearwater, Florida, so our elevation at our location is about 65 feet above sea level. We're up to Number 18, working on number 18. Nope, 18. It also displays here as it's scanning the meter band up to 20. Working on number 20, quite a few. So the solar flux index, which now has dropped down from 130 to about 120, still pretty good, I think. Up to 17.7 megahertz. So now we're up to the 15 meter band, international broadcast band, 13 meter. So it displays up here when it switches bands. You have to watch it. That's the memory location, 21. There, it displayed 11. So now it's on the 11 meter band. About finished. 25, 26 megahertz. Now it's finished, and there's a little delay here. And then there's the first one it found. Let's turn the volume up. That's the one we had before. That one we didn't have before. Just going to go through these quickly. Now, being down in Florida, I get a lot of these Spanish stations, which are south of me. That's nice and loud. A little muffled. That's clear. So you can see I got a lot of stations. Not getting any China radio though, or anything. That one's really clear. I'm pretty sure it's China radio transmitter in Cuba. I'm pretty sure.
A condition which is very painful.
English.
Medication, physical therapy, and painkillers are needed.
15.46. That's it. Okay. So even on this little Pl-330 with a 20-foot wire antenna, I picked up a lot of stations this morning. And I suggest that you get your shortwave radios turned on and start listening, because right now the band conditions are much better than they've been in years. If you enjoyed the show, please give me a thumbs up. Thanks for watching and have a great day. Bye-bye.